What does this giant eye and this giant ball have in common? They're both in the Big D. This is filled with airworthy tours, and today we're ranking Dallas, Texas' best and most known attractions and landmarks. Now, our premise is based on you have 24 hours in Dallas, so what should you do? We'll be ranking them by must see, must do, definitely check out, maybe check out, and pass. And our selections come from our website, airworthytours.com. But more on that later. With that being said, let's head to the lab and get these rankings started. All right, we are at the tier list, so let's get started. This is in alphabetical order. Again, must see, must do, then we have definitely check out, then we have maybe check out, and of course, pass. So, number one is the American Airlines Arena, the home of the Dallas Mavericks and the NHL star. So with this one, it has the makings of a pass. It's a really cool arena actually. It looks like a giant like hangar, like an aircraft hangar, right? So it's pretty cool with that, but here's what saves it from being a pass. The Dirk Nowitzki statue, right? So it's like statue of Dirk, one leg fade away, right? So because of that, we're going to put that in the maybe checkout. Next, we have AT&T Center. So this is going to probably trigger a lot of Dallas Cowboy fans, but hey, they should be used to that. But so with the history of AT&T Center, it kind of started like the whole new wave of giant billion-dollar arenas started with this building, right? So it does have some historical precedent, right? However, it's actually not in Dallas. It's in Arlington, which could be about 30 to 45 minutes away from like Dallas or, wherever you're staying there. So it's kind of out the way. So because of that, I'll put like a maybe check out. It's a cool arena. I mean, if you definitely catch a game there, right? Now, I haven't been, but it looks like a really fun place to catch a game. So we're going to put AT&T Center in definitely, or maybe check out. Next, we have the Dallas Museum of Art. This is a cool one. Honestly, they got like 50,000, collections. So if you're really into art, this could be something you can do. But I don't think it's like culturally and historically significant to Dallas the way the Chicago Art Institute is, right? Because they got like Van Gogh paintings and all that. So because of that, I'm going to have to put that in pass. Next, we have Dealey Plaza, right? So there's a couple of things here. So Dealey Plaza is like a 2 to 3 block radius, but it is the site where JFK got assassinated, right? So there's a museum called the 6th Floor Museum. There's like a whole plaza with like a water fountain. There's the Dallas City Council House, or that building, like that big red brick building, really cool looking building. So there's a lot of history with this area, right? So because of that, must see, must do. Dealey Plaza, if you're in Dallas, you should definitely check it out. Just to say you went to Dallas, right? All right, next we have the Eye. Now the Eye is kind of cool because it's not the most historical one, but I do think it's culturally significant to Dallas. Definitely a place where people, where you want to get your Instagram pics, your reels and whatnot. So the Eye is going to put the Eye in definitely check out. It's free to do. It's in downtown. Won't take long to do. So definitely go ahead and check out that Eye. So we did our 5 really quick, right? So you know what that means. It's halftime. A quick break to talk about our sponsor. which is our website, Airworthy Tours. AirworthyTours.com is a platform where you can take immersive virtual tours of entire cities. Create a free account today and get a full virtual tour of Dallas. Again, check out www.airworthytours.com. All right, back to it. Our next one is the Fair Park. Let me switch this over real quick. The Fair Park. So a little like background. The Fair Park is where the Cotton Bowl is, and it's where the Texas State Fair is every year, right? So it's so during the Texas State Fair, this is a must-see, must-do. But we just have a random 24 hours in Dallas. So with the Fair Park, and also the Fair Park has like other museums and attractions there too. I believe there's an African American museum. Excuse me. So yeah, there's other like attractions there, right? I'll pull it up. I'll put it up on the screen to like show the other attractions, right? With that being said, it is a little bit further out from downtown. So with the Fair Park, I'm gonna have to put maybe check out. Again, caveat: if you're there during the Texas State Fair, definitely check out. Must see, must do. But just a random 24 in Dallas, maybe check out. Yeah. So next, we have the Kennedy Memorial. This is a tough one. I'm not gonna lie. Because I could put this in a must see, must do, but I'm gonna be honest. They kind of need to renovate this monument. It's getting really old looking, kind of going downhill in my opinion, but it's still very, very culturally significant to Dallas, right? Which is crazy because a big part of Dallas's identity is the assassination of John F. Kennedy, right? But hey, each city's known for something, right? It's all about how you market it. With the Kennedy Memorial, we're going to put it in definitely check out and actually in front of the eye just because of its historical significance. Next, we have the Perot Museum. It's basically like a natural history museum. If you go with your kids to Dallas, this could be something to check out. If not, if you have 24 hours in Dallas, I'm going to give this one a big fat pass. Next, we have Pioneer Plaza, right? So I think I had this one in the thumbnail, but like, what is this, right? But I actually like Pioneer Plaza. I think it's a really cool setup. So you got like a bunch of bronze cowboys and cows running around, right? So it's really cool. It's a nice kind of semi-green space. During like the summer, spring months, it has like a waterfall too that goes through it, like a creek. So that's cool. It's in downtown. Not too far from stuff at all. So I'm gonna put Pioneer Plaza and definitely check out. And then last but not least, Reunion Tower. Now Reunion Tower sets off the Dallas skyline. There's some cool like skyscrapers in Dallas, especially like that green emerald one. But Reunion Tower definitely sets off the skyline, and then at night it changes colors and it just makes the Dallas skyline pop. Then on top of that, there's a restaurant too. So you got two things in the Reunion Tower. You have a 360 observation deck, as you can imagine, but you also have a restaurant. Now, I'm too broke for that restaurant, but if you got the money, you want to get some great views of Dallas and eat some fine prime rib, definitely check out. With that being said, Reunion Tower, must see, must do. So now we're going to do the rankings in a 1 through 10 format. So number 1 Dealey Plaza. Number 2, Reunion Tower. Number 3, the Kennedy Memorial. Number 4, Pioneer Park. Number 5, the Eye. Number 6, American Airlines Arena. Yes, I put it in front of AT&T or Stadium, whatever. Which is number 7. Number 8, Fair Park. But again, if you go during the Dallas State Fair, that goes up to like a number 1, number 2. Number 9, the Dallas Art Museum. And number 10, the Perot Museum. So that wraps it up for today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And, really go at it in the comment section. What am I missing? How would you rank it? Am I wrong? Am I right? Let me know what you think. Now, y'all really go at it too, for sure. And if you want an actual video tour of Dallas, click this video right here.